Pool party. Pool party. Damn.
Oh, no, shit. What's going on? Hey, look. We got the Movie Brothers pool party, know what I'm saying? Hey, it's July, man. It's the month of the pool parties, all the lit functions, know what I'm saying? Man, that's a fatty. Right? Oh, we gonna tie it, know what I'm saying? Look, we got all the baddies pulling up to the function. We just gonna kick back for right now. We gonna wait some more. Damn, it's more than. Yo! We gonna wait, yo, we about to tee up, though. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, bro. Let's enjoy the vlog. Let's get it. Are we trying to see how this is? Man, looking calm now. Look at this nigga, look at this shit. Yo, where your bed at, yo? Come on, we gonna walk around, bro. We gonna see how this shit get. What's good, Pop? What's boom? This nigga Booze in this bitch, know what I'm saying? Our nigga Tracy in the cut. We gonna see how this shit get, though, you feel me? The vibes is still pulling up. And they got the DJ popping. We gonna see how this get. Let me see where Alex and my niggas at.
We outside, man. Turn to my man, Johnny Vin.
Yeah, already, man.
That shit up, you heard?
Hey, look, what we about to do right here, though, you feel me? I got my light skin right here, know what I'm saying? We about to try and get girls' numbers without talking this shit, know what I'm saying?
We are lit. We literally just finished it. Yeah. We didn't like ask me or like. Yeah. We're gonna shoot me. Oh, what? I feel like that's not very. Somebody's gonna put it out. You can't get shot. I think you can at least use words. You know what I know? But we're still no English.
I'll fuck with it though.
I don't even know who it is.
Now they call me Trey Songz.
Oh, yeah. I know this about 5 minutes ago.
Nah, it's a segment I'm doing. I don't really talk.
Yo, let's get it.
Man, you rest. Never ever shoot a loader net. You a rookie, I'm a vet. That's why I got a Glock, I got a tip. Not checking these checks. I feel that I'm a pay. Yes, I cut Tiffany. Yeah, good chance. Need to get myself together, I'm a man. This bikini bottom, I'm a savage. But we should keep on drinking, not Brandon. Keisha eat the mileage like it's candy. Get your block here. Oh, you make me wanna do that shit spill. Tryna suck me man down, I made that bitch sit up. Yeah, hot box, 30 station case closed. We grill beef, beef, charcoal. Selling pussy, her, but JJ got a barcode. Get seafood. Now, black. What goes on in Johnny, it is what it's really. I'ma show you.
Let me get this.
Yeah, you got the mic.
Damn, I forgot. It's cool though, you feel me? Yeah. We can call this a church right here, you feel me? Or we can meet again. Huh?
What should I ask? What was the question?
We'll call it truth right here. Or we can meet again. Oh, all right. I thought so.
Get up to the floor, low. Get up to the floor, low. Get up to the floor, low. Get up to the floor, big. Get it. Give up.
These bitches so crazy. Baby, sing it for me if you say, mommy, I'm gone. motherfuckers ain't shit.
I don't like this. Go ahead.
The same kind of nigga that's running me down. So you pull up in this puss 'cause you wanna be down. Said no number wanna be a boss.
Talk nice shit, never let her.
Nigga try to play you. If you play me, then boom.
Alright, I'ma talk now though.
Friends and make 'em
Why you say no?
Get a dick.
Oh, both of y'all got niggas?
Send a kissy face.
Fuck.
And tell them that it's
You got a boyfriend?
kissy face.
No, I watch. I just wanted to know like if all three of y'all had it. You feel me?
I am.
Alright, y'all boys. Let me try something right quick. Y'all know the memo. Yo, just hold it up. All you gotta do is hold it up. I got somebody right behind me. That's how you do it, boys. I ain't gonna hold y'all. You 1 for 5 right now. Let's get it.
But it's 38, my slide and slice and that boy to the pearly gates, but don't be boxing, but that boy a heavyweight jersey, the Merlin steppers in every state. Let me educate, bitch, y'all niggas can't move around, how we move around, bitch, I'm militant down to the roots, I got choppers that blick that'll change the whole attitude, color, you gon' clap it cool, I can't hit on no niggas now, you on war, I'm a pine, we pushing and pushing.